If you are a real estate business owner, you will probably need the best AI voice solution for your business without going here and there, jumping this software to another software. And as a solution, in this video, I have brought you a voice agent which can act as everything. Like really, it is one for all. It can act as a customer support, it can act as a lead generator, it can book appointments, check availability, it can recommend properties to your customers, etc. So, if you are new to this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Krishn, founder of Chrono AI, my own AI automation agency, in which we help business owners integrate powerful AI systems into their business and get rid of repetitive tasks, whether it be AI chatbots and AI voice agent. You name it, we have it. So if you are interested in working with us, do check out my website through the description. And before moving further, let me give you a demo of how will it sound, so you will have a clarity of like how it is going to work, sound, and what is the flow included in it. So let's get to the demo.
Hello, thank you for calling Marrfa Real Estate. My name is Sophie. How can I assist you today?
Hey Sophie, I want to buy a property.
Great to hear that you're interested in buying a property. Do you have a specific property in mind, or would you like me to recommend some options for you?
Can you recommend some options to me?
Of course. To help me find the best options for you, could you please tell me the area you're interested in? For example, Dubai Production City, Jumeirah Lakes Towers, or Dubai Land.
Well, I am interested in Dubai Production City.
Great choice. Dubai Production City is a vibrant area. What type of home are you looking for? For instance, a townhouse, villa, duplex, or apartment?
An apartment.
Got it. How many bedrooms would you like in the apartment?
4 bedrooms.
Thank you for sharing that. Are there any specific amenities you're looking for, like a pool or gym?
A swimming pool can be good.
Perfect. Lastly, could you please let me know your budget for this property in AED?
It's 790,000 AED.
Let me find some great options for you in Dubai Production City. I found a fantastic option for you in Dubai Production City. It's a 4-bedroom apartment in Samana Resorts. The price is 790,000 AED, and it offers a spacious living area with access to a swimming pool. The developer is Samana, and the property is expected to be completed by Q3 2026. Would you like to know more details about this property, or perhaps schedule a meeting with an agent to explore it further?
Can you give me a description of this property?
Certainly. The 4-bedroom apartment in Samana Resorts offers a luxurious living experience with a range of amenities. You'll enjoy an urban beach, a multi-purpose hall, a swimming pool, a sauna, a lagoon, a barbecue area, and a sun deck. The location is quite convenient, being just 30 minutes from the airport, 20 minutes from Dubai Mall, 15 minutes from DWC, 25 minutes from Saudi German, and only 5 minutes from Sheikh Zayed Road. Would you like to schedule a meeting with an agent to explore this property further?
Sure.
Great. Could you please let me know which country you are in and the date and time you'd like to schedule the appointment?
I am based in India.
Thank you for sharing that. Could you please let me know the date and time you'd like to schedule the appointment?
Let's book an appointment for 7 February at 3 p.m.
Let me check the availability for the appointment on the 7th of February at 3 p.m. The time slot on the 7th of February at 3 p.m. is available. Could you please provide your email address so I can confirm the booking for you? Feel free to spell it out if needed.
The email is krishn@.
Just to confirm, your email is Krishn@direct. Is that correct?
No, the correct email is krishnpmishra@gmail.com.
Thank you for clarifying. So your email is krishnpmishra@gmail.com. Let me confirm your appointment for the 7th of February at 3 p.m. Your appointment has been successfully booked for the 7th of February at 3 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, thank you, Angel.
You're welcome, Chris. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
So as you saw, it is working perfectly. It is acting as a customer support, booking appointments, recommending property, and more. So now as we have seen the demo, now let's get into how to build it. So the platform we are going to be using today to learn how to build these AI voice agent is Retail AI. And if you don't know what Retail AI is one of the best platform out there which allows you to create voice agents with ease. So how to access it? Just go into the description and you will find a link there which will redirect you to this platform. You just have to click on try for free, or if you already have an account, just click on login and log in with your Google account. I have already logged in, so I will just go to. So when you are going to be logged in, you are going to be on this interface, and I'm not going to explain everything in detail. If you want to learn how, I have already made a video on it. You can check out from the I button. And what you will be needing is, you will need an AI voice agent, which we are going to be learning in a little while. You will need a knowledge base and you will need a phone number. And how to add a knowledge base? First you have to go to here knowledge base, click on plus, and then just enter the name of your knowledge base, and you can add a web page, you can add a custom file, or you can also add a raw text. And when you will like here, you will have the access to it, and then you have to add the phone number, and you have to go to phone numbers, click on plus, and you can either buy a number or you can connect your number via SIP trunking. I will not recommend you to buy a phone number, because if you will, then it is going to cost a little more than the Twilio one. So you can buy it from Twilio itself. And after buying it, you can connect it with SIP trunking with phone number, termination URL, and SIP trunk username and its password. If you want to learn how to connect it with Retail AI in minutes, do comment down below and I will make a video on it. So if you go to agent, now let's understand how to build these kind of agents. Just go on to agents and click on create an agent, and you can see there are multiple types of agent which you can build. First is conversational flow, single prompt, multi-prompt, and custom LLM. So we are going to be building multi-prompt agent because a single prompt agent is straightforward and provide less complexity and functionality in comparison to multi-prompt agent. So just click on it and you will have some pre-made templates, or you can start from blank, but I have already made one, so I'm going to explain you through that. So this is the voice agent which we seen a little while ago. Here I will give you a quick overview over this interface. If you want to go in detail, just I said, go into the I button and you will find a video. From here you can select the model of the LLM. I will suggest you to use GPT because it's better, and you can select the voice. Currently Kate is the best voice I have found, so you can use Kate, you can use another one. There is language, you can use multilingual, or you can choose a specific voice. And then above you can find the agent ID, Retail LLM ID, the cost per minute, and the estimate latency. And here you can find the system prompt. Here you can initiate like how the welcome message would be. If the user first says it, either the AI will begin with a dynamic message or AI will begin with your defined message. At the bottom there is prompt tree. We will be going on it in a little while because that is the main part. And here you can find the functions. There is, you can add the knowledge base from here. Just click on add and you can add one. There is speech settings. speech setting in which you can play with the speech settings. Like if there is background sound, you can put a background sound to it, like the convention halls, summer outdoor, mountain outdoor, static noise, call center. I will not prefer to use any one of these because even use it in a specific use cases, but before using it, just think on it. And there is responsiveness of how fast your agent is going to be speaking. If you are going to drag it to here, it is going to speak very slow, and the latency is going to be go on skyways. So one is would be with the best interruption sensitivity. This is the rate at which your agent can be interrupted, even if it is there is a small and there is back channeling. Back channeling is like the words like yeah, like you can see here. And there is boosted keywords. If you want some keywords to be spelled like as it is, like some companies or someone's names, you can put them here. There is speech normalization, disable transcript formatting, and so on. Then there is call settings. You can select the end call on silence. If there is the silence for 1.5 minutes, it is going to end the call. You can select and configure the max call duration. It can go up to 1 hour or 10 hours. Let's check. It can go up to 2 hours. 10 hours is a lot more. So you can select it as you want. So I'm going to put it on 6 minutes for now. Yeah. It can pause before speaking. There is post call analysis. By the way, this can be one of the best option for you while building a voice agent, because this tool allows you to send custom data to a Google Sheet or any type of CRM you are using, like the name or transcript, summary, recording URL, or whatever you want. Then there is security setting, and then there is webhook setting. Inbound call webhook, if you are using it as an inbound agent, which it is, then you can put it in here. And if you are using the post call analysis, the flow which is using this option, its webhook is going to be placed here. By the way, if you want to test it overall, all of that speech, latency and everything, you can use the voice mode. But if you only want to use the function and test the functions, you can use test LLM. Now let's go to the system prompt and understand it. Like we have used role specific notes and important note format. You can use as you want. By the way, if you want to learn how to master prompt engineering and how to write better prompts, you can check out the video at the I button. In that, I have explained you how to create a perfect prompt. So you're Sophie, a multi-language support agent. You are an experienced assistant who works for Marrfa Real Estate, a real estate company. This is the role, and in the specifics, like I will provide you with every single material, so you don't have to worry. So let's not go into very deep, and now let's get on to the edit prompt tree, or let's understand the prompt tree. So this is the multi-prompt agents whiteboard, I guess, but it is prompt tree. So here you can define all the functions. Like if you are using a single state agent, single prompt agent, you will not be able to do this because there is only one function and it is very limited. But when you are using multi-prompt agent, you can build very complex agents with ease. And also you can build complex agents using conversational flows. If you want to learn how, you know what to do. And then what you have to do, you have to just click on new state and a new state will appear. And when you click another one, you can put it below that. And as you can see, there is the plus option and you can connect it with this. And this is that easy. So let's delete this. Now let's understand this flow. First, there is property recommendation. So as we have seen that first the agent does property recommendation, and when you go on it, you can see each function have their own full system prompt and the main tools of it. So first there is the system prompt. As I said to you, I will provide it to you. So the user is calling to look for a property to buy with a property recommendation. And first it is going to ask the location, then type, then specific amenities, then budget. And once all the necessary information is collected, call find properties. And this is a function, by the way, which is described below in the tool section. And then recommend those property with ease. And if they are interested, transition to schedule meeting, which is this state. And if they are no, ask them if they need any more help and end the call. This is specifics, notes, and some important note. Now, this is the functions. This is a very important part. If you want to make your agent very much better, you have to understand this. First, what you have to do to make a function. And now to make a function, you just have to click on plus and you will have all these options. You can you can specify end call state, call transfer, pass digit, check availability, book appointment, or custom function. I will prefer to use custom functions apart from end call and transfer call, so you can have the full functionality in your hands. First is name. You can, by the way, you have to give the straightforward description and name. Don't stretch it too much. If you will stretch it, it will cause some misfunctionality and it is going to hallucinate a bit. Also, I am going to recommend you to include as much less as states possible, because if you are going to just bombard it with the states, it is going to hallucinate and it is not going to work as you are thinking. Speaking from personal experience. And now you have to put a name, find properties. You have to put a description, find suitable property based on users preference. Now you have to put the URL. Which URL? The webhooks one. When I am going to explain to you the flow, you are going to be understanding it with a little better. Also, if you have used WAPI before, you know that it have a complete different section of tools where you have to put everything and you have to put the parameters. You can put the parameters as it is, but here it is a little different story. You have to put the parameters in JSON. And if you are freaking out, don't worry, don't freak out. It is very simple. And what you can do, you can take inspiration from these examples and it is going to work very much better. And that's it. As you can see, between both states there is an edge. So when you have to bring the specific information from one state to another, for example, if you are collecting leads, then you want to book an appointment and you want their name and email and phone number, which is collected in the lead state, into the booking appointment state, you can just specify the JSON here, and the retail is going to transfer it from this state to another state by itself. As you can see, now you can specify the condition through which the transition is going to be happening. Like as you can see, here it is mentioned transition to schedule a meeting with an agent. When the person wants to book an appointment with an agent, it is going to be triggered there. So this is the schedule meeting state, and as you can see, this is the prompt. Like first it is going to ask the country, then the date and time, and then it is going to call the check availability function, which is here, and it is going to check the time slots and it is going to give it to them. And if it is not available, it is going to check again and ask them if you have another preferred date and time, because this is not available. And if that is available, it is going to book an appointment. Now, as you can see, there is custom functions, check availability for the calendar. This is the webhook and this is the JSON, and the same we are doing here, book appointment, and then description, URL and parameters. And now there is lead capture. Now this is a secret power of this AI agent. We can say that it will capture the user's lead without speaking it out, and it is going to save it in a CRM. Now that we have understood what is the agent is about and how it is built, now let's move on to the automation flows, which plays a very important role in this automation flows. Now let's go on to the make.com. We are using make.com as our automation platform. So how to access it? Just go into the description and you will find a link there which will redirect you to this website. You just have to sign up and you will be on the dashboard of it. So what dashboard? This one. So when you have to build a scenario, just go into here and click on create scenario. And I'm going to provide you with all the resources. As I said, you just have to go onto there and you have to download the automation, and you just have to click on more and import, and you have to choose a file and import it and click on save, and it is going to be here. And remember to connect all the accounts and click on save, otherwise it is going to be disappeared. Now let's get back onto our flow, and this is the property recommendation flow. Now I was saying that you have to put the webhook URL here, and which webhook? This one. So first we are using the custom webhook module. How to add it? Just you can right click, or you will have the plus icon at the start. So when you will click on it, this will come here. You will click on plus. You will either search or you will have it in the first. Just click on here and place a custom webhook. And when you do, you will have this. You just have to make a webhook and just copy this and place it here. Then click on save. And then there is a search rows Google Sheet module. It is going to be connected with the Google Sheet CRM, which will be in your account. And if you are thinking which one, because this is an Airtable, so let me show you what it is. So this is the same table, same CRM, but it is in Google Sheets. So you have to connect it with here, and everything will be done. Now you have to click on save. Then there is JSON. What it is going to do? It is going to convert these into a JSON format. And then there is OpenAI module. You don't have to do anything, just import and click save after connecting your account. And then there is this, which is going to return the result to that. So this was the property recommendation flow. Next is check availability. So if you have freaked out, don't worry. It's just that these flows indicates different countries. Like this one, it indicates India. This one, it indicates UAE. This one, it indicates Russia, and so on and so forth. So first, the webhook is going to be receiving the data, and then it is going to convert the output, whether it be in large case, small case. It is going to convert it in large case because of the filters. And what it is going to do, based on the country, it is going to go on different flows. Now let me explain you one flow. Let's take the India example. Now what the OpenAI module is going to do, it is going to convert the given time into the Indian time. That's it. And then there is Google Calendar. You have to connect the Google Calendar with this connection and collect the Google Calendar ID. And then it is going to check if the slot is available or not. If it is available, it is going to be going on this path, and if it is will not available, where it is going to be, it is going to be going on this way. And what it is going to do, it is going to receive the time slot, it is going to process it, and if it is not available, it is going to give a different time slot, which will be either in the past or in the future, in the near time. Let's say it is 10 a.m. the time slot given is 10 a.m. and 10 a.m. is not available. Either it is going to be giving the 9:31 or the 10:31. So I hope you understand. You just have to import and connect all your accounts, and you don't have to worry about anything else. If you have any doubts, just comment down below and I'm going to explain to you how to fix it. And then there is inbound booking appointment, the appointment booking one, and it is the same as that. The different branches explains the different countries. First, the webhook is going to be receiving the data, and then it is going to be converting the words into capitals, same as that, and everything is same. So you just have to connect the accounts and you are done. And then there is the inbound lead capture. So the lead is going to be captured and transferred to Airtable, or you can also use a Google Sheets if you want. And in the end, it is going to return that, yeah, it is successful. So this was the whole flow and the whole agent. I hope you get it, like how it works, and hope you get a clear idea, clear understanding of what the AI agent is and how powerful it is. So this was the flow and this was the voice agent. I hope it gives you a clear idea of how powerful it is. So if you have liked this video, subscribe to the channel. And if you are an business owner who is looking for AI automation system for their business, whether it be AI chatbots or AI voice agents, just check out the website through the description and book a call with us. And if you want to master the art of prompt engineering, or you want to master the art of creating a perfect voice agent, do check out the videos on the I buttons. And also remember, it's just getting started.